Arts Workfly.
This is how I store my acrylic paints, my gouache, my watercolor paints, but I wanted something that I could easily travel with. I'm not sure if this is going to hold a tube, but the future ones I definitely know it will hold the tubes because I'm going to just buy these size, but I have larger ones. I'm not sure if it's going to hold in there, but we'll find out today. Oh, let me move this out the way. If you haven't seen the vlog with my paint brushes, go ahead and watch that. So yeah, receipt, let me move that out the way. Yes, my table is a mess. I'm still organizing. That is the reason why I'm getting so many packages and stuff. I really want my life to be a bit more organized so I can do some painting vlogs. Whenever I'm not organized, I don't feel like I'm comfortable enough to do any artwork. But anyways, I'm gonna transfer these to here and see how it works. So I got this from Temu. Excellent quality. When I say excellent, it's excellent quality, guys. Very, very, very good. So it can hold. It wasn't meant for holding paint. I think it was meant for holding glitter or something like that. I don't remember. I will tell you on the screen or something. But I'm going to use them for my paint. It has a very strong new scent, but not in a good way. But I will not be washing this anytime soon. Alright, some of them are empty, so I will not be putting all of them in here. But so it's going to be like that. As I said, I'm going to compare. See there? The shorter ones, these ones, they're short enough to hold a bit better. So I'm going to definitely use these first, get rid of them, and then keep these ones and continue buying these ones to fit in this right here. Some of these paint feels as if it's dried up. This one definitely dried up, so I will be throwing that away. It's time to clean out and get rid of these things. This one is not dried up. And oh, I have this Indian ink. I wonder if I should put it in here. Not sure as it. This one is good. I think I'm going to put the smaller one to the front, like that. Alright, so I have room for a little bit more acrylic paints to put here. And most of them, as you can see, they're all done. I think I should have probably put this underneath it to store it. Let's see if it can work at the top. Right, it can work, so I'm just going to put this in here for the time being. Indian ink, and then close this down like that, because it's just sponge. It's just squishing in there. But next time I'll put it under the bottom. But there you have it. Ah, God. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this as yet. I think I might use it for cards, card holders and stuff like this. Stuff like that. A lot of cobwebs in there. Yeah. So I might repurpose this right here. But now I have all my paints in here. I'm just going to just put it on the shelf for now. It's not as organized as it. The shelf is not organized any at all. I'm just randomly putting things there to get the decks a bit a bit clean and tidy for other things. So yes, guys, definitely would recommend this right here. It's very strong, very sturdy, good quality. I will put the price somewhere on the screen, and I got this from Temu. So if you want to store your paints like this for easy traveling purposes, I can't wait to do those traveling videos for you guys, man. So yes, I have all of these in one container, my paints, and I can even put my paint brushes in there, and you just wait and watch and wait. All right. So yes, guys, I will see you in the next one. Arthur Fly. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.